Hello everyone and welcome back to the brand new season of the Hali Show. We've missed you all and I'm very excited to kick off the first episode of the school year with something very special.
That's right. Today we're celebrating Nigeria's Independence Day. This episode is going to be about pride in our nation and featuring some amazing highlights for you.
We're going into everything that celebrates our heritage, including some fun facts and interesting quizzes you don't know about Nigeria.
So whether you're tuning in for the first time or you're a regular here on the Hali Show, get ready for a fun, educational and cultural journey as we celebrate Nigeria's 64th year of independence.
Yoruba people, commonly found in the southwestern part of Nigeria, known for their rich culture and also their great emphasis on respect for their elders, family and culture. The Yoruba people are very creative when it comes to food. Some dishes include amala, eba, fufu, coupled with ogbono, egusi, efo, and also goat meat. The best. Yoruba people also have a very nice dialect and language. We each created our language by ourselves and for ourselves. It's also known as a means of identification.
Did you know the name Nigeria was derived from the river Niger? It was named by British journalist Flora Shaw. Nigeria gained independence in the year 1960 on October 1st. That is why we celebrate Independence Day every year on October 1st.
Did you know that Nigeria has over 250 ethnic groups? The country is a rich blend of diverse cultures, traditions, and languages. Lagos has the largest population in Nigeria. It is not the capital, but the economic hub, and it is one of the fastest growing cities in the world.
First Bank of Nigeria, established in 1894 as Bank of British West Africa, is the first and oldest Nigerian bank.
Then Virginia Ethiopia became the first female governor in Nigeria when she served as governor of Anambra State in 2006.
Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe became Nigeria's first president after the country declared itself as a republic in 1963.
Did you know that Nigeria's official language is English? But there are over 500 languages spoken across the country. Some of the most popular languages are Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa.
That was a show talking about Nigeria's history, culture, and of course, our wonderful students showing off their pride.
We hope this was very entertaining for you and also gave you a deeper appreciation for Nigeria's journey and strength of its people.
Thank you for joining us in kicking off the new season. Trust me, there will be more exciting episodes coming your way.
See you next time. And once again, Happy Independence Day.